Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on Atom Editor from Codecurriculum with me Abhijit Jagdish. In this tutorial, we are going to look at three different things. 1. Find and replace across the whole project. Number 2. Switch between the branches. 3. Undo a commit. Alright, let's get started. How to find and replace across the whole project. If you remember from our previous tutorial, we created all these test files of different format and all of them had to-do statements in it. So the test.css has a to-do, HTML has a to-do, JSON has a to-do, and the PHP also has a to-do. What if we didn't know this and wanted to find all the places where we have to-do in our project and also replace that to-do with something else? All we have to do is, let's say, go on to one file, double click on to-do to select that, and then to search across the whole project, do Ctrl+Shift+F. This opens a window at the bottom here, and it has to do here the thing that we wanted to search across the whole project, and it says find all. Now if I click on find all, it opens this new window where it lists out all the files where we have to do. Let's go and click on collapse all, and this to me tells there are 4 different files in which we have a to-do statement. Let's say we want to replace this particular to-do across our project with not to-do. And then I'll go and click on replace all. With that, I get this notification which is asking me for a confirmation, and I'll click on OK. With that, all the to-dos are now replaced with not to-dos. We can cross-check that. Let's close this. Go back to the .css file. To do is replaced with a not to do. Test.html file, not to do. Test.json file, not to do. PHP file also has a not to do. So this is how you find and replace across the whole project. Let me go and close this window now. Alright, next one. How to switch between the branches. To switch between the branches in Atom Editor is very easy. If you remember from our previous tutorial, I said this is the branch indicator at the bottom here. At the moment it says master because we are on our master branch. If you remember, we also created a branch called first_branch in one of our previous tutorials. So before I switch to that branch, let me go and commit these changes here. I'm gonna stage all of them, and then I'm gonna give a message, commit message saying switching branch demo, commit to master. So I don't have any unstaged changes. Come here and click on the master branch indicator, and then in the drop down list you can see all the branches available on this repo. To switch to this branch, all I have to do is select that, and you can get the confirmation on what branch you are on by observing this. Here the commit button says commit to first branch, and now let's go back and switch to master branch and see what happens. Now it says commit to master. This to me is a confirmation as to what branch I am on. In Atom Editor, this is how easy it is to switch between the branches. Alright, let's get to the last one, which is how to undo a commit. What if I want to undo this commit? It's very simple. You can see there is an undo button here right next to the commit. Just go and click that. And notice how the stage changes, section changes. All the files that were committed as a part of my previous commit are now back in the stage changes. If you want to unstage them, click on unstage all. Stage them, click on stage all. With that, you have undone your previous commit. Now if you want to commit it again, commit to master, you will see the same commit message here. If you want to undo it, just click on undo, and there will be back in the stage changes. That's how easy it is in Atom Editor to undo a commit. That's about it for this video. If you have followed this tutorial right from the beginning till here, then a big thumbs up for that. We have covered most of the topics required for you to get started with Atom and make that big switch from your current favorite editor. The next video will be the last one in this series. Don't miss watching that. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.